Waiting for hot water can be a thing of the past with Ariston's electric mini tank. The mini tank eliminates the long trip through pipes water usually has to take from the water heater to the sink. This powerful yet compact water heater's purpose is to provide you with hot water when and where you need it. Installation has never been easier with a simple tap into a cold water line and a standard 120-volt outlet. This durable, compact unit is designed to fit in the smallest of places and can accommodate almost any site, even those that don't already have hot water. The mini tank is perfect for smaller properties, including in-law suites, kitchenettes, pool houses, garages, and can even be used for commercial applications like stores, offices, and bathrooms. In addition to serving a single faucet, the electric mini tank can also serve as a booster to improve existing capacity as well as eliminate the need for a recirculation line, creates a built-in redundancy, and minimizes waiting time for hot water. The stylish, sleek, Italian-designed exterior was made with aesthetic in mind, so you can place your mini tank out in the open without interrupting the flow of your room. Created with versatility in mind, the mini tank can be wall-mounted with the brackets provided or placed on the floor to fit your desired space. This highly efficient water heater boasts environmentally safe foam insulation and also comes with a durable titanium glass-lined tank. All of these high-end components work together to produce hot water more efficiently while providing you a unit that is built to last. Ariston's electric mini tank is available in 3-gallon capacities, 2.5 gallons, 4 gallons, and 8 gallons, making it easier to find the unit that will fit your comfort needs. Ariston, worldwide leaders in heating and comfort solutions.
Waiting for hot water at a sink located far from a primary heating source can be frustrating. Cold water from a sink is just not useful. Plumbing a hot water line to every sink in a home or business requires time and money. That's impractical. To get hot water where it's needed, when it's needed, a better solution is to use the Tronic 3000T from Bosch, a point-of-use electric mini tank water heater. The Tronic 3000T can supplement a primary water heater or be used under a single sink. In fact, the Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing water heater located far from the source, and as a buffer installed in line with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water or cold water sandwich. In any configuration, there is minimal standby loss from this mini tank water heater. There's no wait for hot water to arrive at a sink when it's needed. Tronic 3000T mini tank water heaters from Bosch are compact and can be wall or floor mounted. They fit easily under a sink in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive exterior design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Available in 3 space-saving sizes, the 2.7 and 4-gallon units have a simple 120-volt AC plug-in connection, while the 7-gallon unit, which can supply 2 sinks simultaneously, must be hardwired. To install, a professional simply taps into a cold water line, provides an electrical connection, and installs the mini tank water heater directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.
A tankless water heater heats the water directly without the use of a storage tank. When a hot water tap is turned on, cold water travels through a pipe into the unit. Either a gas burner or an electric element heats the water. There are several advantages to replacing your old water heater with a tankless one. They have a smaller footprint, they are more efficient, you can control the temperature, and you have point-of-use options. Traditional water heaters are on average around 60 inches tall and 24 inches wide. That bulky metal tank takes up precious space. In comparison, a tankless water heater averages between 20 inches wide by 28 inches tall and just 10 inches deep. the size of some laptop computers. Another thing to consider, since these are tankless, there isn't a risk of the tank bursting, so you have more options when it comes to selecting the perfect place to install in your home. Tankless water heaters are sometimes called heaters on demand. Instead of using energy to keep a large tank of water hot for 24 hours, the tankless heater only warms up the water when it's needed. Through patented self-modulating technology, the tankless water heater regulates exactly how much energy is needed for the amount of water being used. The digital temperature control can be adjusted in increments of 1 degree Fahrenheit. It ranges from 80 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to have control and the ability to set it and forget it. Small units are great at the point of use. For instance, for a shower, a point-of-use tankless water heater supplies a steady stream of hot water even when people are using water in other areas of the house. Other areas where these would work well: under the kitchen sink, near a washing machine, in a guest house, or on a boat or RV. If you're looking for a space-saving way to heat your water effectively and efficiently, these tankless water heaters could be the answer.